Hi, I'm Caroline from Stokke. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through assembling the Stokke Tripp Trapp High Chair Complete. The High Chair Complete includes the iconic Tripp Trapp chair, Baby Set 2, Classic Cushion 2, and tray. Let's get started. Important setup tip. To ensure a stable structure, begin by attaching the base bar, black support rods, and both wooden backrest pieces to one side panel first. Once these components are securely in place, loosely attach the second side panel. This creates a stable frame that allows you to slide the adjustable seat and foot plates into position. Tighten all screws only after the seat and foot plates are inserted at your desired height. I will be configuring the Tripp Trapp High Chair 2 Complete Bundle. Keep in mind there are other configurations of this chair. Step 1. Lay out all the parts. Before you begin, lay out all the components to make sure everything is included. Left and right side panels, seat plate, foot plate, backrest pieces, base bar, Baby Set 2, includes 2 plastic pieces, back panel and crotch piece, tray, Classic Cushion 2, extended gliders, support rods, screws, nuts, and Allen key. Step-by-step assembly. Step 2. Attach components to one side panel. Start by attaching the following to one side panel only. The base bar. Align the inserts on the end of the base bar with the designated hole near the bottom of the side panel. Push firmly until fully seated. Secure by placing the nut into the groove in the base bar and screw in through the corresponding hole in the side panel. Backrests. Attach the wooden backrest pieces by aligning with the grooves at the opposite end of the same side panel. Secure each nut and screw just as you did with the base bar. Support rods. You will see 2 remaining holes in the side panel, 1 hole in the middle and 1 hole at the bottom. Screw the black support rods into the designated holes. No nuts required. Make sure each piece is fully seated and aligned. Step 3. Attach the second side panel. Carefully align the second side panel with the installed components. Loosely attach it using the nuts and screws provided, just as you secured the first side panel. Step 4. Insert the seat and foot plates. Slide the seat plate into the upper grooves and the foot plate into the lower grooves. Adjust the height based on your child's age and comfort. For the Baby Set 2, we suggest the placement as follows. The seat plate on the first groove from the top, and the foot plate on the 5th groove from the top, just above the support rod. Once both plates are in place, tighten all screws using the Allen key. Ensure the Tripp Trapp is steady. If wobbling, double check to make sure all pieces are properly aligned and all screws are tightened securely. Step 5. Install the extended gliders. Next, you'll attach the extended gliders. These improve stability by ensuring the high chair does not tip over, but slides if pushed. Flip the chair over and attach the extended gliders to the bottom of the legs. You will hear a click when securely attached. Step 6. Attach the Baby Set 2 and Classic Cushion 2. The Baby Set comes in 2 plastic pieces, a back panel and a crotch piece. The Classic Cushion also comes in 2 pieces, a back cushion and a seat cushion. First, attach the Baby Set back panel. Center the back panel with the 2 wooden backrest pieces on the Tripp Trapp and snap into place. The harness is pre-attached, so no additional installation is needed. Second, add the seat cushion before the Baby Set crotch piece by stretching over the seat plate. There is a hole in the cushion for the crotch piece to attach through. Next, attach the crotch piece. Insert the edges between the 2 wooden backrest pieces, positioning them in the space between the Baby Set back panel and the Tripp Trapp side panels. Then, push the crotch piece down into the opening in the Classic Cushion and seat plate until you hear a click. This confirms it's securely locked. Then, slip the back cushion over the Baby Set back panel and Velcro the sides to the Baby Set crotch piece. Adjust the harness straps to fit your child. Step 7. Add the tray. Finally, slide the tray onto the Baby Set from the front. Push down until it clicks into place. To remove, press the release button underneath and lift. Final check. Now that your Tripp Trapp is assembled, ensure that all screws are tight and the chair is stable, the seat and foot plates are properly positioned, the Baby Set back and crotch pieces are correctly installed, the harness is secure and adjusted, the tray is locked in, the cushion is properly placed. As your child grows, the Baby Set 2 and Classic Cushion accessories can be removed. but you should always ensure the seat and foot plates are positioned so that your child's knees are at a 90-degree angle. Your Tripp Trapp Complete bundle is now ready for use. To utilize the Tripp Trapp newborn attachment, pull the levers at the base of the attachment and place on the center of the backrest. The red indicator will turn green when securely fastened. The newborn attachment has 2 positions for baby's comfort. To remove the newborn attachment, pull the levers and the green indicator will turn red once the attachment is removed.